Welcome to today's tutorial on tracking changes in Google Docs. Whether you're working on a team project, editing a document, or providing feedback, the suggesting mode allows you to see and manage edits seamlessly. Let's dive in. 1. Switch to suggesting mode. In the top right corner, below the share button, click the pen icon, choose suggesting from the drop-down menu. Now, any edits you make will be tracked as suggestions. 2. Edit text with color coding. Remove text will have a green strike through. New text additions will appear in green. Existing text remains black. 3. Invite collaborators. If you need someone to review your document, invite them as a commenter. Click File, then Share. Add their email and set their permission level to commenter. 4. Accept or reject suggestions. When others suggest edits, you'll see them on the right side of the window. Accept changes by clicking the check mark or reject them by clicking the X. Leave comments for additional context if needed. Congratulations! You've learned how to track changes in Google Docs using the suggesting mode. Keep collaborating effectively. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.